These two scales look almost the same. So why does this note have to become F sharp? There is one simple pattern behind every major scale. Once you understand tones and semitones, you can build a major scale starting on any note. A semitone is the smallest step on the keyboard, from one key to the very next. C to C sharp is one semitone. And here's something important. E to F is also a semitone because there's no key between them. A tone is simply two semitones, like C to D. Now look at the C major scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Between each note, the distances follow the same pattern. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Notice the two semitones, E to F and B to C. That pattern is the code behind every major scale. Quick check. F to G. Is that a tone or a semitone? It's a tone because there's one key in between. Now let's use the same pattern to build G major. Start on G. Tone to A, tone to B, semitone to C, tone to D, tone to E. Here's the important part. E to F is only a semitone, but the pattern needs a tone. So we move one step higher to F sharp, then one final semitone brings us back to G. And there's one more rule that keeps scales easy to read. A major scale uses each letter name once. So in G major, this note must be F sharp, not G flat. Otherwise, we would use G twice and skip F. Now it's your turn. Start on D and follow the same pattern. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Can you build the D major scale? Let's check. D to E, tone. E to F sharp, tone. F sharp to G, semitone. G to A, tone. A to B, tone. B to C sharp, tone. And C sharp to D, semitone. So D major is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. A semitone moves to the very next key. A tone equals two semitones. And every major scale follows the same pattern. Tone, tone, semitone, tone, 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 semitone. Start on any note, follow the pattern, and you can build the scale yourself. Understand music. Don't memorize it. Follow for more.